Are you a programmer or IT entrepreneur, but you don't understand why your colleagues get many times more orders and earn $5, $6, $7,000 a month on freelance projects? Most likely you are doing kinda wrong things or doing it incorrectly. But don't worry, Indext Data Lab team will help you to become a more in-demand specialist in the new year. Because today in this video we will predict the future and talk about IT trends for 2024 and what we are going to make money on this year. Hi everyone, you are on the Indext Data Lab channel where we talk about technology in business and business in technology. I'm still 17, the host and producer of this YouTube channel, and today, like as always, me and Indext Data Lab team are ready to share with you some insider information without bullshit and censorship. Over the past year, our team of experts has completed hundreds of jobs of all levels of complexity and earned over $400,000 on Upwork on IT products. With our knowledge, statistics and experience in this business, today we will not refer to such media as Gartner or other online resources, but we will make our own prediction based on our experience and projects that we have successfully closed in 2023, as well as on future orders that already planned for 2024. So are you ready? Let's go. But well, before we move on to our top trends, I would ask you to hit the like on this video and subscribe on this channel so not to miss other videos in the future. This is our first video on this channel, so your likes, your comments will be the main indicators for us to understand whether you like this type of content or not. So thank you for your attention, enjoy watching, and let's get back to the video. After analyzing all Indext Data Lab projects for the last year, as well as making question and answer with our development team, in today's video we will focus only on three main directions, which seem to be the most promising for us at the moment. With the right level of qualification or with the good team aiming at these IT sectors, you will always be able to find new clients and make money on it, performing high-class and most importantly demanding projects. So let's start with the third place and move smoothly to the first one. The third place. The third place is a data analysis. This year we have closed many projects related to data analysis and some of them still in work, bringing daily income. Overall, apart from data analyzing, structuring and cleaning, the classics, due to globalization and the growth of data and its migration to cloud storage, by the way, which is also really big trend, this year there has been a demand and need for faster automation. Therefore, the main trend in data analysis has been the introduction of NLP and artificial intelligence. These are the kind of projects based on AI and LLM solutions that many clients and customers really want. You can call it advanced analytics or hyper automation, it actually doesn't matter. The important thing is that it's in a high demand because of its ability to provide accurate real-time data and optimize decision-making processes. So if you are in a data science and you are still not using AI in your projects, it's time to dive into this field so you don't miss out on the new clients. The second place of our top opens by parsing and data sets. Yes, many people may say that parsing is a decade-old trend, but in today's reality, parsing is more than just collecting some information from all corners of the internet. It's an essential tool that allows you to collect necessary data, make data sets from it, which later become the basis for machine learning, which you can no longer do without. Over the last year, we have closed dozens of projects related to parsing and ML, so we have a lot to tell you about. Of course, the main trend is parsing and creating data sets for social media networks. Everyone wants to get hype, everyone wants to track fast-changing trends, so parsing combined with ML greatly increased your chances of success. And if you still don't believe me, you can always check all of our projects related to the parsing of social media networks. So it's quite logical that after social media networks, the second trend is parsing news sites and resources. Getting information about the latest news, person, companies, scraping maps and many other services depending on the goal of the project. But when we talk about parsing and data scraping, we always face the biggest nuance. It is solving problems related to access to information. It's a really popular problem and no less relevant service. Without going into details, I would like to know that our team of specialists knows how to work and solve these problems in compliance with all requirements without violating ethical rules and agreements. And this is the most important thing. In general, parsing is quite interesting topic that deserves a separate video. That's why next week we will talk a little bit more about this tool. Together we will explore a couple of large Indext Data Lab projects, talk to our specialists, and of course summarize how much we managed to earn from parsing in 2023. And that's really nice numbers, friends. I told you. So if you are interested in the topic of parsing, be sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss this video. And we move on to the first place of our top. And the first place of our top, if anyone hasn't figured it out yet, development using LLM. It's not a secret that LLMs have taken over the tech world in the last year. The demand for language models is just crazy. Paid subscriptions are unavailable due to overloaded servers, and the waiting time for responses has increased in several times. Everyone from individuals to the large companies wants to use the functionality of GPT and other LLMs in their products. That's why clients are ready to spend a big budgets for developing using LLM in order to be the first and to be ahead of their competitors on the market. If we talk about trends, of course the hottest product at the moment is chatbots and smart assistant with the various features, from communicating with clients to managing corporate documents. In addition to ordinary assistants, there is a growing demand for more complex LLM-based agents that can not only answer questions but also make smart decisions. Right now, one of the most hypest uses of such bots is role-play assistants. Their job is communicate with customers, increase your brand personalization and audience loyalty. But it's not that simple. Many people who have already worked with GPT understand that when you do more personalized projects, you may face censorship issue. In this regard, the new trend in the industry has emerged, developing products on local LLM that provide your privacy and, no less important, stability. Compared to the big players, local LLMs provide security without obsessive updates and unnecessary user agreements that can affect your entire work. In addition to the privacy and stability, local LLMs are easier to fine-tune and are more affordable solution if you don't have a big budget. At the moment, hosting GPT-like model is almost impossible, when local models such as Facebook's Llama-based Vicuna 13b, for example, worked even on the average laptops. Also, local LLMs are so attractive for developers and customers because of complete lack of censorship, which allows you to solve almost any task. So if you want to perform a larger pool of tasks, get free from the limits of large corporations, take a look at other LLM solutions. In this video, I'm not going to talk about other AI trends like gen models, image generation, or the incorporation of LLM in game dev, for example. But if you are interested in AI topic, write a comment and we will definitely make another video about it and maybe even show you some interesting projects. So in conclusion, we can say that all of these three trends are closely related to each other. For example, parsing helps you to get data, LLM allows you to process and structure the collected information more quickly in order to create quality and innovative product in the end. So if you want to be in the trend, you should definitely pay attention to data science, parsing, machine learning, local LLM, fine-tuning, NLP, and of course dive hard into learning Python, the knowledge of which will allow you to do 90% of all projects. And this is our prediction of the top trends of 2024 based on our personal and recent experience. Unfortunately, we could not include all information that we have about the other trends, for example, cybersecurity, API building, cloud platforms, crypto development, of course, synthetic data for LLM training, and much more technologies that are in demand right now. But if you like this video, if you need more information about the new new trends of 2024, just hit the like to this video, write your comment, and we will do the sequel for you, no problem. And by the way, if you would like to get more information about IT industry and business right here and right now, you can always book the personal consultation with our experts. All links and all information you can find in the pinned comment under this video or on our Upwork page. Come in, take a look, we're always welcome to new clients and people who care. And thanks to everyone who watched this video till the end. I hope it was interesting for you, and it was Index Data Lab team, your friends till 17. See you next week. Bye.